All right, let's continue. Let's continue with Selangor paper. You should be very familiar with this paper. This is your exam paper, right? The trial. Reason that I give you again this set is because I want to know that first, whether do you still remember your econ? Second, do you learn from your mistake from the previous mistake that you make? Okay. So I foresee you will actually correct at least half, or you should actually get better than what you have in your trial paper. Anyway, let's do it quickly. No, yes. Yeah, of course. First question is C. Let me have a look. No. No. See, uni economy X. Uni economy got three, right? Isi rumah, prima, kerajaan. Menghadapi masalah kekurangan modal. Definitely this is a Frima already. Isi rumah definitely wrong already lo. Okay? Wash ba. Yesterday video already upload. Yeah. Output minimum cost. Project pembangunan menguntungkan rakyat. This is kerajaan. Okay? Keluaran memaksimum kepuasan pelanggan. Bro, you are a Frima. Frima only care of minimum cost, maximum output. Minimum cost, maximum output. Is it good? And the next questions. Antara yang berikut, yang mana betul tentang usahawan? Usahawan is the entrepreneur, the boss. Which one? Related to the entrepreneur. When you say entrepreneur, menyeleras berbagai faktor. Okay? Perbezaan tahap. Is it? Yeah. It's C. Bersedia menghadap ketidakpasti. Tidak pasti. Not sure. Not sure means it's a risk. Able to take risk. Selangor paper, right? I sent you this yesterday, right? Bruh. Wait, are you did the correct paper, sir? Okay, tidak pastian. Not sure. Means it's unknown. You need to face those unknown. Unknown means a risk because you don't know what's gonna happen. Alright, this is what usahawan need to do. Alright, and the next they say, this one. Cup. What's the answer? A and B. Answer is B. Okay, now because they just draw the line W and X. They didn't tell you, question didn't say W to X or X to W, right? Yeah. Yes, I agree with your answer. Perubahan kombinasi. Yalah. Berlaku kos lepas 40 unit. Komputer dan 2 unit TV. Bro, you can only, you choose W. If you choose W, then your cost lepas is 40 unit. Sorry, your cost lepas is 2 unit TV. If you choose X, then your cost lepas is 40 computer. It's either one, not done. Atau. Okay, atau is the correct term. Alright? Yeah. You don't like it, right? I also don't like it. I think your teacher got problem. Okay? But I scared later. Later your teacher sue me, right? But I disagree. Okay? I agree with Selangor government answer. Now, and the next. Pertambahan 1 unit TV. If I increase 1 unit TV, I will reduce 20 unit computer. This is the most correct one. Why? Because you see, you increase 2 unit TV, you reduce by 40. Equals to 20 lah. Right? This is also the way of how you calculate cost lepas. Right? So B is the correct one. Lebihan sumber memperolehkan tambahan 2 dan. Lebihan sumber. The word lebihan sumber already wrong. This is a KKP. KKP says what? KKP said sumber ekonomi adalah tetap dan terhad. So there's no way you have a lebihan because they are on the line. They are atas kelup. Atas kelup won't have lebihan one, right? Tidak cekap. Bro, they are on the line. Must be cekap one. Tidak cekap is when they are inside the curve. Understand? Can ya? And the next, before I move on, any question on this? No? Yes? No? Next. Antara berikut yang mana merupakan persamaan sosialis dan campuran? What is socialist? C is what? Masyarakat. Yup, C. Okay, so what is the socialist? Socialist also named as perancangan pusat. Okay, so the similarity between perancangan pusat and campuran is the government part. Yeah. But they ask you similarity. So, number 1 is wrong because melalui harga, this one is pasaran bebas. Right? Keputusan ekonomi diambil kira pandangan pengguna is pasaran bebas. Now, penyelesaian masalah corak agihan barang dalam sistem kapitalis. Kapitalis, pasaran bebas. Why? Okay. How? Korea Utara. Yeah. Sorry, my brain also wrong. Okay. See pasaran bebas, how they settle untuk siapa? Agihan barang means untuk siapa? They depends on the income. They depends on the kuasa beli. Okay. Depends on the kuasa beli. Now, and then the next one. Huh? Oh, okay. Now, permintaan. Ask you along the line, utama or lain? Utama. Utama means what? The change in the price. Harga barang itu. So which one is the correct one? Yep, perkembangan permintaan. You see disebab harga barang pengganti already wrong. Kuasa beli merosot, perubahan pendapatan. These two are faktor lain. And pertambahan permintaan, this is the term when you saw this. Okay? Pertambahan permintaan. Now, and the next one, F and G. Berubah 10 to 12. Permintaan 900 to 800. Think of it if F have a increase in price, G reduce in demand. So what is their relationship? Pengganti or penggenap? One up, another down. One up, one down. They are penggenap. Because barang pengganti is if your competitor increase in price, then your demand will increase. Because people will run to your shop and buy your things and not your friend. Alright? But barang penggenap means what? They must be used together. So what should be your what your answer should, like, you should have which one? Okay. A. B ah. Ui. Barang penggenap lah. Okay. Together, they must be complete. Complete the function of each other. Okay, complete the function of each other. Right. Can ah? My bad. It's okay. Wait, did you do revision today ah? You are very far away from econ, man. What happened to you? You have enough sleep or not? Yeah. Are you good You enough sleep or not? No. Later you better sleep properly and tomorrow start. No revision today, huh? Ya lah, you go IOI lah. Apa lah ini? I think you better rest gao today and then tomorrow go to the class. Pick it up. You do some paper 2 just now. Effort. Thanks for your effort. Please do the whole last minute class books, okay? Not do lah, at least read. I think got answer, right? Read at least. Okay, you do or you read. Either you must start something, okay? Let you guys. And then here, you do seminar one. Also can Also can If can, you do everything Read everything. Okay, pengguna barang F memberi kepuasan sama. Kepuasan sama, this is barang pengganti. Try lah, okay? Hubungan positif. Oh, we already tell. One up, one down. It's not positive at all. Alright. And question 8. See. Number 8. A. They use the word perubahan penawaran. Okay. Already wrong. Remember I tell you perubahan penawaran. They use this term is when one line to another line. Alright. Perkembangan penawaran. Kembang is increase. So you should be go this way. Price up, not price down. The arrow terbalik already. Is it C? Yeah, the answer is C. Because they said pertambahan harga bahan mentah. Okay, cost increase. Cost increase, supply go down. Alright, this hubungan langsung. Hubungan langsung, harga quantity, this is along the line. Only one line. Alright, now and here, they tell you January 240, June 300. Quantity price no change, but quantity increase. Faktor utama or faktor lain? Faktor lain Right, so let's see. Motif kuasa pasaran. Kuasa pasaran means what? They want to memaksimumkan jualan. If memaksimumkan jualan, supply increase, correct or not? Yes. Harga bahan mentah mahal, this one should be reduced. Duty excise, reduce. Future become expensive, reduce. Alright. And the next one, they tell you demand go to the left. DO ke D1 lebihan permintaan. Is it? First, DO ke D1 is like 2 lines already, right? They said lebihan permintaan by 160 unit. Demand 140 versus cannot versus. Okay. Cannot versus. That's so wrong. Lebihan permintaan already wrong, okay? Because you are not one harga. If they say pada harga 20 lebihan permintaan, then yes. If they tell pada harga 20. Okay, new titik keseimbangan. They say pelaku peningkatan harga barang itu. When I have a increase in the price itself, I don't have a new titik one. Okay, there will not be a new titik. They said 20 ringgit to 30 ringgit, kenaikan harga keseimbangan. Correct or not? Yes, because E0 to E1. Answer is C. 100 to 40, 140. Increase 40 unit because of perkembangan? No. If you want to say because of technology, then you should compare in the same price. So it should be increased 60 unit instead. All right. And the next, yeah, this one. What is this? You see, price change 15%, quantity change 10. Anjal or tidak anjal? 10 divided by 50? 0.2? Definitely tidak anjal. Alright, tidak anjal. Now, when tidak anjal, they say penurunan harga 1.5 menyebabkan kuantiti meningkat 1%. Correct or not? Yes. Okay, because 15 versus 10. Right? Lebih responsif? No, tidak anjal. Sedikit pengganti? When you have only a little bit, sorry. Shouldn't be 1%. 15 should be not 1. What's that? The price reduced by 15%. Yeah. C. Sorry, my bad. When the price reduced by 15%, 10%. Okay. Now, keanjalan lebih daripada 1, no. Okay. And next, nilai ask you penawaran. Price increase PO P1. QO Q1. What's the formula? Q1 minus QO divided by QO times 100. Over original new price minus original price. Right? So your answer should be, press your calculator. Compress your calculator. I wait for you for a while. Donkey. I trust you guys, yeah? I'm not gonna calculate. And next, fungsi bank pusat mengawal kestabilan nilai wang. What is the function of a bank pusat to control the kestabilan nilai? How they control kestabilan nilai? They will make sure we have sandaran minimum backup. Okay? They will ensure control inflasi. Alright? Next, pekerjaan sektor ketiga. Which one? Pemborong. Pemborong is wholesale. Yes. Okay? Can ya? Next. Any question before we move? If no, then I'm gonna, jump. Next. Apakah faedah sampingan? Pemilik kerja. Which one is the faedah sampingan? When you choose your job. B is what? Faedah sampingan. Ganjaran pencapaian. Ya, kemudahan pengangkutan. Okay, suasana. This one is suasana. This one is what is that called? Your facility, not facility. Your naik pangkat. That one is the prospect pekerja. Ganjaran pencapaian target. That one is include in the gaji, right? Salah satu pembayaran they give you this. Obviously, secara tunai. So what is good about pay using cash? Pay using cash? Hemah. Perbelanjaan secara hemah. Okay? And the next one? Productive. Upah. Terima kerana gabungkan buruh dan modal. Gabungkan buruh dan modal, this is untung. Why? Because this is the job for usahawan. And usahawan is entitled for untung. Sewa, memberi hak pengguna orang lain. Okay, yes, this is correct. Ganjaran menyumbang upah. Alright, go, go, go. You want to go for dinner, then go, go, go. Okay, faedah. Faedah pendapatan daripada sebahagian keuntungan. Nope. Okay, when you pemegang saham, this is dividend. Not faedah, but dividend. Alright? Che. Then you guys eat dinner already or not? The leftover peoples. You eat already or not? What? Cause people run to dinner already. 6:30 eat already. Nice. Sounds like leftover food. Not eat. So you get your dinner already or not? You want to eat or not? You can eat while listen. I don't mind. Okay, if you mind, then you left. Okay. But you hungry again, go eat, 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 eat. Okay, apakah tujuan? Reason. The tujuan. Ketua isi rumah bijak merancang keuangan. Okay, so they ask you what is the purpose? Rancang keuangan. Rancang. Why you want to plan your money? Rancang keuangan means belanjawan. Why you want to membuat belanjawan? Why you want to plan your money? Yes, prevent harga meningkat. And this one, tahap kecairan. Yesterday we said, tahap kecairan is liquidity. What is the meaning of liquidity? How fast you can convert that things into cash. Simpanan tetap tinggi. Because you can just buy one click. Hak tanah rendah. You need some time. Logam rendah as well. Remember yesterday I tell you, like gold bar, it's not to say you want to sell then you can sell. You need verification. People need to, to verify that is this a real one, only they will actually change with you. Right? You need to find people to buy. This one, input X, input Y. Not like buy roti. Yeah. Okay? X and Y. X berhubungan langsung dengan output. Wait, let me have a look on what is X and Y. Okay. X is this. Y is this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I found like generally, like so far, so many paper that we discussed, right? Selangor is the one that more tricky, actually, for the paper one. Okay. Now, so bayar terlibat cost tetap because this is an input tetap. Okay. Y is a bahan mentah. So it will not, bahan mentah is a cost berubah. Okay. Boleh ditampa dengan mudah dalam jangka panjang. Jangka pendek, not jangka panjang. Alright. Now, and then the next one, they show you what? Keluaran purata. Which one is correct about purata? Pertambahan kos akibat pertambahan. No. It's nothing to do with pertambahan seunit input berubah. This one is marginal. Kuantiti bergantung kepada kandungan what is that? Dihasil seunit perubahan kesan. Your answer should be C because they say your production is actually this is a production that hasil oleh seunit input berubah dalam pengeluaran. Okay. Perubahan dalam output, perubahan penggunaan input. Change in output divided by change in input. Marginal. Okay. They say the quantity rely on the input. Wait. This is jumlah keluaran. Jumlah keluaran. Okay. And then the next one they ask you, infografik menunjuk jumlah kos dan keluaran syarikat padu berhad. Oh my god. I found that this looked like a kindergarten mathematics, man. 2,000 ringgit, you can produce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Don't know what is that. Is it a bicycle? I think it's a bicycle. 3,000, 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 12. So 120. So they ask you what is the cost marginal. How to calculate cost marginal? Jumlah cost divided by jumlah output. Sorry, brain malfunction already. So what is that again? 1,000 divided by 30 equals to 33.33. Okay, my bad. My brain. So like, and next. Okay, next, yeah. So what is faedah social? This is what we talked about it yesterday. Yesterday we talked about cost social. And today we talk about faedah social. Faedah social is a manfaat kepada masyarakat. A good thing to the masyarakat. Alright? And the next one, peranan kerajaan. Kerajaan sebagai pengeluar. Is this related to... Okay, sorry. Peranan kerajaan mengawal pengeluar. So they set up tasar harga maksimum. Correct or not? Yes. Teknologi hijau. This is externality. Externality negative. Senarai barang. Senarai barang is not. Zone industry, yes. 1 and 4. Alright. And the next. Inflasi tarikan permintaan. Permintaan. Why we have tarikan permintaan? Why we have the increase in permintaan? Okay. See, this answer is quite obvious because you can cross out bahan mentah already. You can cross out lebih mahal barang import because these two will actually bring tolakan cost. And the barang import is the import. Cause you kaya. Yeah, which one means you kaya? Bekalan wang meningkat. You have more money to spend now. Alright. Which one is pembangunan kerajaan? Pembangunan is a form of modal. Okay? It's a form of modal. The leftover is what? Mengurus. The leftover is mengurus. Okay? This one. Hasil 291, spend 388. Lebihan or kurangan? Kurangan. Because okay. Now, when hasil less than belanja, fiscal menggembang, correct or not? Yes. Is to control inflasi? No. Jumlah permintaan menurun? No. Okay. These three is for inflasi. Where government will do dasar fiscal menguncup. Next ya. Dasar keuangan menjual surat jaminan is to menambah bekalan wang? No. Government sell you thing, expect you to pay money? Kurang. It will reduce your money. Meningkatkan kadar faedah? Increase kadar faedah, increase pinjaman? No. Reduce. Increase the result? Increase the keupayaan? No. Reduce the keupayaan. So your answer can only be donkey. When they tighten the term and condition, you get to pay more. You have to pay more when you want to buy something. Jenis sekatan hasil kerajaan. Which one is the income of government? Tariff. Because tariff is a form of tax. Understand? Here, antara yang berikut mana objektif block economy? Why we want block economy? Block economy is to mobility modal, perkongsian bahan mentah. Sharing is caring. Okay, that's why they form an alliance to help each other out. Next, nampak tidak nampak. So they ask you which is correct. K and I. Let's find first. Pelancong China melawat ke Melaka. To Malaysia, this is an export. Tak nampak. So K and I wrong already loh. Sandabi meminta keuntungan operasi di Sumatera ke KL. Bring the income from Sumatra to KL. Bring it in. Money in. Okay, this is an investment. Okay, investment. Okay, investment, yeah. And this investment, what happened? Go, go, go. Pengawai berubat dari Selangor berkhidmat sebagai doktor pakar di Dubai. Export. Tak nampak. So L and 3 is correct one. Okay. Membekal bahan mentah Japan. Export barang nampak. Okay. Next. Penawaran ringgit Malaysia. Which one supply ringgit Malaysia? Menerima kemasuk pelajar baharu. This one is money in. Money in is demand, not supply. Japan membina kilang. Money in, demand. Korea Selatan dapat minyak dari Terengganu. Money in, demand. Hockey, go Pakistan. We go. Money out. When money out, supply. Answer is donkey. Can. And the next. Membekau peralatan mesin. See, this is story between Japan and Malaysia. So Japan supply machine to Malaysia. Money in, money out. Money out. Okay, money out. When money out, this is an import nampak. Import nampak. Money going out. So penawaran ringgit meningkat. Hantar alat guna kargo MISC. Japan using our service. Export tak nampak. So demand of ringgit increased because Japan need to pay us. Okay, so see, number one, ringgit increase? No. Number one, export? No. Number two, aliran keluar wang tinggi? No, it's a wang masuk. Yen ditawar? Yes. Alright. And the next, ringgit Malaysia, kesan dari dagang negara. They said ringgit increase because lebih banyak wang diperlu untuk. When ringgit increase means we need lesser. Ringgit increase, tempatan mahal. This is correct one. Because our currency increase, our thing expensive. Harga turun, ringgit turun, permintaan export should be increased because our thing become cheaper. Turun, negative? No. Turun should be positive. Why? Because when our currency reduce, export will increase, import will reduce. Hence, we will achieve positive. Alright? And next, correct or wrong? Isi rumah pilihan kekurangan pendapatan. Yes. Pilihan pemaklumat kebajikan keluarga? No. Isi rumah is what? Kepuasan. So answer is A. Tidak seimbang pasaran apabila permintaan melebihi penawaran. Correct. Tidak seimbang ini lebihan permintaan. Harga naik. Correct. Pelaburan ketersediaan? No. Pelaburan investment is you menggunakan wang pada masa sekarang untuk mendapat pulangan pada masa depan. You use your money now, you invest, and you will get return in the future. Pulangan pelaburan secara negatif dengan tahap risiko. Okay? Pulangan negatif, hubungan negatif dengan risiko means what? Risk up, pulangan down. No. The higher the risk, the higher the return. Wrong. Okay? Higher the risk, the higher the return. All right. What is the correct word? So shouldn't have this word. Just don't have this word. Sorry, not negative, man. Which one? Song. The higher the risk, the higher the return, right? Higher risk, higher return, isn't it? 风险越大，回报越大. That's why the word is wrong. I write to you and tell you it's wrong. It should be positive. The higher the risk, the higher the return. That's why those people like to go gambling 嘛，对不对？ Actually, it's not right, but yeah. Now, pengeluaran, pengeluaran merupakan proses menghasil output melalui gabung sejumlah input. Correct or not? Yes. Hasil output tingkat dengan menambah mesin dalam jangka pendek. Mesin pendek, no. Mesin is an input tetap. How input tetap meningkat in a jangka pendek? No, cannot. Alright. Dasar harga maksimum menetapkan harga lebih tinggi. No, harga maksimum should be lebih rendah daripada keseimbangan. Harga maksimum menjaga pengguna, yes. Belanjawan lebihan means lebih hasil dipungut dalam tahun. No. Sorry, perbelanjaan melebihi hasil. No. Should be hasil melebihi perbelanjaan. Lebihan is to control inflasi. Correct. Is it good? Still alive?